Here is week 10, day 1, 2, 3, and 4, starting with day 1. Write the number 83 in expanded form. I always say expanded form is you are stretching that number out for each place value. So we know that 1s and 10s, there are 8 10s and 3 1s. So if we stretch that out as how we say the number, that would be 80 plus 3. So our expanded form is 80 plus 3. Stretching that number out. How many sides does this shape have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. This shape is also called a pentagon. Mario picks 28 flowers. Nora picks 16 flowers. How many more flowers does Mario pick than Nora? Write the number sentence to show how you solved the problem. Mario, 28. Nora, 16. So I'm going to put off to the side here. Mario had 28. Nora had 16. So we know that Mario had more flowers that were picked, and Nora had less flowers than Mario. So we're trying to find who picked how many more flowers. So who picked more flowers, and what was the difference between 28 and 16? So to find how many more Mario planted, we need to find the difference. So we're going to subtract 28 minus 16. So our number sentence is going to be 28 minus 16. All right, it vertically. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. I just added. We're supposed to be subtracting. Made a mistake. 28 minus 16. So we have 8, and we're going to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 2 left. And 2 minus 1, 2 take away 1 is 1. So 28 minus 16 is 12. So Mario picked 12 more flowers than Nora. 17 minus 6. 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11. And then 17 plus 3. 17. 1, 2, 3. 20. Day 2. Look at the base 10 blocks. Write the numbers shown. Okay, this is 100. This is a 100 block. Because if I count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20. So each row or each row in each column, this is 100. So look at the base 10 block, write the number shown, that's 100. Write a number sentence for the picture, then solve the number sentence. So we're first going to have to write a number sentence. We need to know how many we started with, and then it looks like there's some crossed out, which is going to be subtraction. But first, let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we started with 14, and they took out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 14 minus 8. Then it says solve the number sentence. 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Denise has 2 nickels. We know that a nickel is 10. A nickel is 5 cents. So 2 nickels, 5 and 5 is 10, plus 2 pennies is 12 cents, or you would write it 0.12. Count by fives. Each time we're adding 5. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Day 3. Greater than, equal to, or less than. We have 110. Is that greater than, equal than, greater than, equal to, or less than 78? We obviously know 100 is more than 78. So 110 is greater than 78. 53 and 63. So here's 53 and here's 63. 53 is smaller than 63. So it's going to be less than. Then we have 105 and 101. Well, we know that 1 is less than 5. So it's asking 105. Is it greater than, or less than, or equal to? It is. 105 is greater because 5 is greater than 1. Is the number of golden fish even or odd? Even. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Odd. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So we're going to just stick with these 3 here because it's laid out nicely for us. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. So if I had a 2 in the ones place, a 2 is even. What number does the crayon represent? 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7. 7, 8, 9. Bring down my 1, 19. 18 minus 6. So 18, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 2 left. Bring down my 1, 12. Time. What time is shown? Hour hand, middle, minute hand is our little 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we're halfway around the clock, which looks like our hour hand is halfway in between 7 and 8. It is not 8 o'clock yet, so it's still 7. And our minutes are 30, 7:30. Write the number for each number word. 26, 53, 32. A total of 17 goldfish are being given away as a prize at the school carnival. If 6 of the goldfish are orange and the rest are yellow, how many of the goldfish are yellow? So we have 17 goldfish. 6 are orange and the rest are yellow. So we have 17 altogether. 6 are orange. we need to know how many are yellow. So we're going to take the 6 orange out of 17. So 7 minus 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 1 left over. Bring down my 1. So we have 11. 11 are left, which means 11 are yellow. So 11 goldfish. Or 11 yellow goldfish. Here's another bar graph. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many more eggs were laid on Thursday than on Friday? Thursday goes up to 6. Friday, 4. Sunday, 2. So we need to know we're looking at Thursday and Friday. 6 were on Thursday and 4 were on Friday. So it says how many more were on Thursday. So 6 and 4, we're trying to find the difference between them. So 4, 5, 6. So we went up by 1, 2. So 2 more eggs were on Thursday than on Friday. There's your week 10.